Hello my dear viewers, welcome back. In this video we are going to study the notes of Karnataka State Board Class 6 English Prose Chapter 5 Self-Reliance. So first discuss these questions with your partner and write down the answers. Why did the kid scream? Answer: the kid screamed because it fell into a ditch. How do you know that the kid is self reliant? Answer: when the writer went to help the kid replied, "No thanks, I can help myself." This shows that he was self reliant. Who is the creator of your destiny? I am the creator of my destiny. What advice did Swami Vivekananda give his disciples? Answer: if you are miserable, try to conquer your misery and try to be calm. Stand up, be bold, be strong, do not be a weakling. Take all your responsibilities on your own shoulders and know that you are the creator of your own destiny. What is escapism? Answer: escapism is running away from reality or not facing reality with courage. Is feeling helpless always a form of escapism? Answer: feeling helpless is not escapism always. Vocabulary and dictation words. We think of some human qualities as positive and some others as negative. For example, love as well as agree is a positive quality. Tick against each noun given below in the appropriate column. Use a good dictionary if you have to do. So here is the qualities and you have to tick for positive and negative quality. Then give the full forms of won't, will not, weren't, were not, couldn't, could not, shouldn't, should not, you'd, you would, he's, he is, I'll, I will, who will, would, we would, don't, do not. So spelling. What is common in the following group of words? Knee, knife, not now. Here K is silent. Neighbor, daughter, fight straight. GH is silent. Honest, honor, our. Here H is silent. Now you write down some more words with silent letters. Knees, psychology, dumb, wrong, right. These are the words where in the knees K is silent, in psychology P is silent, in dumb M is silent, in wrong W is silent, in right W is silent. Focus on grammar, phrases and idioms. Use a dictionary to identify the meanings of the idiom or phrase italicized in each sentences below. Write down the meaning in each case. The rare whales got stuck in the mud. Answer: got stuck means impossible to move. She stuck her tongue out at the snake in the zoo. Answer: stuck her tongue out means show her tongue in order to be rude. The journey was long and hot and they had no drinking water, but they stuck it out cheerfully. Stuck it out means to continue doing something until you have completed it, even though it is unpleasant. We got stuck in a traffic jam for almost an hour. Stuck in means impossible to move. He didn't want to be stuck with strangers during the trip. Stuck with, to have something you do not want because you cannot get rid of it. Then writing. I went with 4 of my friends on a trek. Halfway, I went alone to see the scenery and thinking that road was the right one. I walked along the opposite road alone. I walked, no trace of my friends, and I was in middle of the forest. I had no food or water to drink with me. I was tired, I was feeling hungry, it is going to be dark, and it was a bit afraid. I hid myself behind a big rock. In silence, I could hear various sounds of the animals. I closed my eyes and started chanting God's name. After some time, I slept and woke up in the morning and started searching for my friends. Now, here is a self-reliance summary in English. The lesson Self-Reliance is a short essay on how the writer was inspired by self-reliance of a little boy to not lose hope in life. The writer says that he had lost all hopes of his future. One morning, as he is sitting under a tree in a dejected mood, he saw a boy come along riding a bicycle. The writer thought that the boy had men into a ditch. The writer rushed to help the boy refused his help before thanking him. The writer was surprised when the boy told him he could help himself. The writer assumed that the boy must be self reliant and did not want anyone to show mercy on him. The boy picked up his broken bicycle and limped back home. The writer heard a voice in his mind saying that if the child can be self reliant, so could he also be. The writer felt some kind of divine grace descending on him and was inspired to deal with his problems, his depression, and his negative thoughts. The writer went back home and picked up the book Thus Spake Swami Vivekananda. On the very first page of the Swami Vivekananda's disciples plead his helplessness with the Swami. Hearing his disciple's word, the Swami thundered that the disciple was talking nonsense. He advised the disciple to give up thinking that he has worthless because there is an indomitable power in everybody, and that it was just escapism to feel miserable about our helplessness. Every man has his burden to bear. The writer adds that Swami Vivekananda did not tolerate fools. Having been inspired by preachings of Swami Vivekananda, the writer tells us that we should try to be calm, we should stand up boldly and take all our responsibilities on our own shoulders and create our own destiny. The writer says that feeling helpless is an error and that we have all the strength to succeed. We should help ourselves and should not rely on others because nobody will ready to help us. The writer is of the opinion that the greatest lesson we should learn is to be self-reliance. We should face our miseries with courage. So this is all about your all textbook activities, summary and notes of your classics English prose self-reliance. As I have told you, if you want the more lessons, kindly check the playlist of my channel. Thanks for watching.